the Joint Action Committee of the Meiteis side, they have reached an understanding with the group of ministers of Manipur to take away the dead bodies of those Meiteis, the 6 Meiteis who were actually they were missing, and then their dead bodies were found from GD River, which led to the outrage, which led to the violence. Now they have given 5 points. On the basis of those 5-point talks, these bodies will be taken. That's what we are getting it from the sources on ground. Number one, all this investigation of this 8 dead bodies, that should go to NIA. The government has assured that. Number two is obviously these families, the bereaved families should get compensation. The bereaved families also should get a job, and also the Hamar people who actually has threatened the CRPF, who actually has said a lot of things about this Meiteis, they should be actually banned and their outfit should be declared as banned. So these are the resolution, these are the points which has been raised by the Joint Action Committee of Meiteis in front of the group of ministers of Manipur, and then the decision of taking the bodies has been finalized. Right now the situation in Manipur is calm and quiet. There is no violence as far as Manipur is concerned. The way really things went bad on the last Saturday, things have really changed from them, that's true. On the other hand, the government, the central government, the state government are putting up entire emphasis. They are emphasizing on the peace situation out there, but at the same time there are now murmurs coming inside from the ministry itself. That means there are other ministers who are also questioning the work mode of the work culture, the working of Chief Minister N. Singh. Speaking to us, Khemchand, who is a minister and is an old-timer BJP, has pointed out that several times he has told the CM to resign because he has failed to actually control the law and order situation. Now that is another point which is very vital. Here are the murmurs which are coming inside the cabinet. Last Saturday, things went out of the hand. Over 17 MLAs houses were torched and they were vandalized, which includes the Chief Minister's son-in-law, and also there was an attempt to attack the Chief Minister's residence. So situation till now is calm, but we cannot say that the peace has come. Obviously there is high emotion running within the people of Manipur, within the people of these Meitei groups. Also there is a letter which has been written to Kharge by JP Nadda, where also the point that the point which Chidambaram made, on that point also stress has been given. Politics is definitely, the opposition is trying to do politics, but at the point at now it is very important to bring peace in Manipur, and that's what the central government and state government has been working on.